Good morning on this cold fall morning. I am hungry, so I'm going to make an oatmeal bake. I'm just going to throw things in there, so we'll see what happens and how it goes. I'm going to start with a cup of oatmeal. And let's see. Some yogurt. I'm going to throw a little bit of yogurt in there. Not a much, big spoonful. Thinking it would give it a more smooth flavor. Smoothness, texture, I should say. And for sweetness, a lot of people throw in ripe bananas. I'm not a big fan of that because it makes it taste like a banana. And I really don't want it to taste like a banana. So I made some date paste yesterday. And I'm going to throw that in there. It doesn't taste like dates. And even if it did, I kind of like dates flavor better than the taste of really ripe bananas. Also a teaspoon of baking soda, or baking powder, I should say. Nothing is exact in this. Baking powder, it's about a teaspoon. And I also like either peanut butter powder or almond powder or cashew powder. It gives it also another little taste to it that I kind of like. That's a preference thing, I guess. Couple of tablespoons. Just throwing it in there. See what happens. And some almond milk. You can use regular milk. I do drink regular milk. Just sometimes, in some things like this, I think almond milk is a better flavor. Let's turn it on, blitz it up. Oops. It's going to splash all over me. See what happens. I like to grind it fairly good so I don't have the oatmeal flakes still in the flake form. I want to grind it down a little bit more. I forgot vanilla. About a teaspoon of vanilla. This is homemade vanilla that my daughter made and gave to me. It's very nice. Now, if you wanted to bulk this out more, you can put like cauliflower in it. That will give it a little more bulk, and it really don't taste the cauliflower. Plus, it puts the additive of a veggie in there. I'm going to give it a taste. I'm the only one that really eats this, so that's really pretty good. Just for throwing things in there and not knowing what's going to happen, that's pretty good. I do spray it a little bit. And put it in. I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 6 minutes and give it a test. Okay, it went off. Let's see what we got. Ooh, looks really good. Let me see if it's done. I think so. It's hot. It has just the right sweetness, not too sweet. So this time I put in date paste, which I really like that. That really was the key. And I put in a little bit of the cashew butter, and I think that helped. What you didn't see me do is I put in some protein powder after the fact. I put it in and forgot it, and I took it right out and put in a scoop of protein powder. But I really like it. Believe it or not, this whole thing is one serving. It's just 1 cup of oats. I decided to add a little almond drizzle on top. Okay, that's about right. Let's give it a taste. Good idea. I suggest putting the drizzle on top. Really adds it. Almost tastes like a dessert. Protein powder. And it's a great breakfast for you. I'll write the recipe down below. Hope you all like it. Have a blessed day.